back, or if it's your first time visiting the channel, welcome on today. This is Katrina's Priceless Home Life and More. Tablescapes, home decor, cooking, DIY, seasonal decor, outdoor living, and so much more is what I feature here on the channel. Now, in today's video, I got up early this morning, turned on the news, and the local meteorologist informed me that it was only 35 degrees. So I said to myself, you need to get some breakfast and go back in your bed. So enjoy me making a quick breakfast from Mom and me on today. To all of my loyal subscribers, you already know how I feel about you, and I'm so appreciative of your continued support. And to all of my recent subscribers, thank you so much for clicking and subscribing. And well, if you're new here for the first time, well, come on now, join the family. It's free and it's fun. Make sure everyone to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below.
Anytime, any place, you stand beside me and wait. I sing hallelujah. I bring my burden again to my Father and my friend. I sing hallelujah. Anytime, any place.
So there's a rumor going around that I crumbled up my sausage in my grits. I ate it and I didn't wake up for another 3 hours. Don't tell anybody. Just don't tell anybody else. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me for another Vlogtober edition. Here are 2 more videos for you to watch, just in case you missed those. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.